Welcome to my YouTube channel. Nigeria has always been seen as the giant of Africa right from time immemorial. It is owing to its large population size and also its economy. In recent times, entertainment has always been a major form of art on the African continent. Music is deeply rooted in all African diaspora. It was seen as a long and slow process that worked along globalization, but African music has been on the rise for quite some time now. It is Nigerian artists like Davido, Wizkid and Burna Boy who opened the world to African music. African music has always been sidelined by most persons, but in recent times, Africa has been noticed by all. It is due to the input of some Nigerians to boost the country. In recent times, a lot of Nigerians have been able to bring to limelight the entertainment industry. But in today's video, we'll be revealing 4 Nigerians who have made Nigeria proud. Before I continue, if you're new here, please click on the red subscribe button and on the bell notification to get more updates when we post a new video. Also, follow us on all our social media platforms: Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and TikTok. First Nigerian on our list is the renowned artist Burna Boy, the Nigerian Afro singer whose music has been able to touch the heart of different persons both nationally and internationally. He is often characterized as the giant of Africa. He is an award-winning Nigerian singer, has topped off a stellar music year with a Grammy nomination and cemented his place as the year breakaway music star. Burna Boy has the world listening to his music. He is truly a global citizen. He is one artist who is changing the way our African continent is perceived. This is because he uses his voice to share a new vision of his homeland. Burna Boy is well looked up by different Nigerians as they see him as a role model. He grew up in Port Harcourt, Nigeria, and went to university in the UK. He carries himself with an unflappable confidence. This is really amazing. He also featured Dami Marley on his song Different, which featured Angelique Kidjo as well. He featured the famous artist Future in his song Show and Tell. He was also known to have featured in Beyonce's album Lion King. He featured artists like the Kenyan band Sauti Sol, Georgia Smith, aka The Rapper, and a whole lot of international artists. Grammy Award is a big win for Africa because it has made Africa become the center of attraction by international stars. In an interview, he said, "This is a big win for my generation of Africans all over the world. This should be a lesson to every African out there that no matter where you are, no matter what you plan to do, you can achieve it." Another artist who had made Nigeria proud is Wizkid. Wizkid, also called Starboy, is one African greatest musician. He came to limelight after Ojuelegba, which boosted him to stardom. This artist struggled to rise and make Nigerians proud of him. The artist has appeared in the Guinness World Book of Records. He featured Drake in one of his songs. He has broken records with collecting nominations and awards. His playlists have a huge fan base. He has worked so hard to put his name, his country, and continent on the map. The singer is loved by many for his honesty about his early years as a struggling Nigerian youth trying to make something better. Featured international rapper in One Dance, Drake topped International Billboard Award. He also featured Chris Brown, Trey Songz, French Montana. Has given international stars the ability to come into Nigeria, precisely Lagos, Banana Island. He also featured Cranium, T.Y. Dollar Sign, and Justin Sky. Another artist who brought Nigeria to a noticeable stage is Davido. He is one of the most influential artists in Africa. Davido rose to fame after releasing Dami Duro. Davido has been known to be of great help to the music industry. He has significantly contributed to the growth of colleagues in the industry. He has been the talk of the town because of his selfless service, commitment to helping others in the industry. The singer, who is known for his popular saying, "We rise by lifting others," not just offer the words, ensures that he acts in tandem. He has helped a lot of singers by featuring on their songs and also making appearances in their music video. He helped a few others to gain limelight. Famous Nigerian artist Tekno, who benefited from Davido, especially in terms of collaboration, became known and loved by music lovers after Davido featured in his early 2014 hit single, Holiday. The likes of Kidominat, Lil Kesh, Mayorkun, who owes his entire success in the music industry to Davido after making a cover of his song that went viral on social media. Davido signed Mayorkun into DMW. The artist Lighter, who after ending on a bad note with Olamide and trying to find his feet in the industry, again Davido agreed to feature on his comeback single, Mona Lisa. The artist has indeed helped Nigerians discover their talent. He's also known for doing giveaways, which has helped a lot of Nigerians too. Once he was noticed for giving free 10 Infinix phones to Nigerians who could only say a line of his song, Fame. He also helped Nigerians by creating job employment for them and also giving them scholarships. Another famous Nigerian who has made Nigeria proud is Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala, the Nigerian-American economist and international development expert. She's really one amazing woman. During her 25 years at the World Bank, she is credited with spearheading several initiatives, 6 low-income countries in particular, raising nearly 50 billion naira in 2010 from donors from the International Development Association. In bid to fund the poorest countries, also served as the country's finance minister under President Obasanjo and Goodluck. She helped Nigeria obtain its first ever sovereign ratio. Economic reforms has had a far-reaching impact and saved Nigerians at a critical period. Also introduced a system that helped to remove thousands of fake workers and pensioners from government payroll. She is a no-nonsense woman. She is one outstanding woman that has made Nigeria proud. She also made history when she was selected to be the WTO 7th Director General. She is credited with developing reforms programs that help improve government transparency and stabilize the economy. The first woman to be the finance minister and the foreign minister of the West African country. Indeed, she has made Nigeria and the world proud. This clearly shows that Nigeria is climbing heights to greatness. It's the fact that these 4 Nigerians have helped Nigeria. We have some celebrities who have added to the growth and development of this country too, of which is Don Jazzy, who is also called Big Daddy. He's helped a lot of rising stars. He is the Marvin boss and also a very benevolent man. He has helped artists like Wandi Cole, who used to be with Mo Hit Record and was brought out by Don Jazzy, and that is where his success story started. Famous Tiwa Savage also was helped by Don Jazzy, who helped her to attain her prominence. The band is not left out. He was also helped by the artist Don Jazzy. He recently donated 500k to a young boy to go to school. This is really amazing. This artist also spoke up for Nigeria in the just concluded EndSARS protest, especially Burna Boy. Burna Boy, who is noted for showing love for Nigerians because his songs are mostly centered on striving people in Africa. Songs are always centered on the government on how they can help build a better Nigeria for its citizens. Also, the famous artist Olamide cannot be forgotten in this. He is known to have helped a lot of rising stars find their footing in the music industry. The likes of Likesh, Fireboy DML, and a whole lot of other artists. These artists have contributed to the growth and development of Nigeria. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave a comment on the comment box below and also share this video with your loved ones. Follow us on all our social media platforms: Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and TikTok. Thank you.